Got a new Mac and wondering how to move everything over? Whether you're switching from a Windows PC to a Mac or upgrading from an old Mac to a new one, Apple has a built-in tool called Migration Assistant. It moves your accounts, files, photos, and more automatically. In this video, I'll show you exactly how Migration Assistant works. Alright, let's start with moving data from a Windows PC to your Mac. First, we need to prepare your Windows computer. Turn it on and make sure it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Mac. If possible, you can also connect both devices to the same router using Ethernet cables. Close all open apps, keep the computer awake, and if the connection fails, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall. A wired connection is generally faster and more stable, especially for large transfers. Next, we'll install Windows Migration Assistant. Open a web browser on your Windows PC and search for Windows Migration Assistant from Apple. Download it from Apple's official website. Open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Once installed, launch Migration Assistant and leave it open. This allows Apple's tool to communicate directly with your Mac for the transfer. Now, let's set up Migration Assistant on your Mac. Open Finder, go to Applications, then Utilities, and double-click Migration Assistant. Click Continue and enter your Mac password, if prompted. When asked, select from a Windows PC. Don't worry if your Mac closes other apps automatically. That's normal. With both devices ready, it's time to connect them. On your Mac, a security code will appear. Your Windows PC should detect your Mac, select it, and confirm that the same code appears on both devices. Then, click Continue on both computers to keep the transfer secure. If your Mac doesn't appear, double-check your Wi-Fi and firewall settings. Next, you'll choose what data to transfer. On your Mac, select User Accounts, Documents, Desktop Files, Pictures, Music, and any other folders you want. You can check or uncheck items to save space by skipping large or unnecessary files. When ready, click Continue to start the transfer. The time this takes depends on how much data you have. Keep both computers awake and don't shut them down or close the lids. Large transfers can take a while, and that's completely normal. Now, let's move on to transferring data from one Mac to another. First, prepare both Macs. Turn them on, connect them to the same Wi-Fi network or use a cable connection, and plug them into power. Close any unnecessary apps to speed up the process. Open Migration Assistant on both Macs. On the new Mac, choose from another Mac. On the old Mac, select to another Mac. Make sure you select the correct option on each device. Then, verify the connection. A security code appears on your new Mac. On the old Mac, confirm that the same code appears. Click Continue to link the two Macs securely. Next, choose what to transfer on the new Mac. You can select user accounts, applications, documents, and system settings. This will move everything and let you continue exactly where you left off. If there are accounts with the same names, you can rename them during this step. Click Continue to begin the migration. Wait for the transfer to finish and restart if prompted. Once you log into your migrated account, your files will appear in their familiar folders. Make sure to check important documents once the migration is complete. A few bonus tips. Use Find Your Search to locate files quickly. Set up iCloud after migration to sync everything across devices. Keep backups before transferring large amounts of data. And remember, don't interrupt the process mid-transfer. This method works perfectly for new Mac buyers, students, and professionals switching devices. And that's how Migration Assistant works, whether you're moving from Windows to Mac or from Mac to Mac. No complicated tools, no manual copying, just Apple's built-in solution. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more simple Apple tutorials, and comment below what you migrated from. Welcome to your new Mac, and I'll see you in the next one.